Alright. So I thought you'd like to see what we're doing. Cleaning up. Got this, rented this excavator. I am not a professional, so don't judge me. Excavators, loaders, sound familiar. We can't do the trailer because the salvage company has to come do that. Can't do it. You can see that's what's left of our trailer over here. So what we did, turn this off for now. So what we did was, basically my father-in-law Jim, this whole roof was collapsed. So he took this excavator and ripped it all down, put it in the middle. So now we're having somebody come and you know, we just put it in the dumpster, but we're gonna get all the metal out of here, get it recycled, or reuse it in the chicken coop. Probably gonna run some big pieces across here and enclose this just where the stalls are. That's my hope anyway. But I got all the fields, the front two fields, you know, all metal detect, not metal detected. I got this song blaring in my ear. Magnets, ran magnets everywhere because there's roofing nails literally everywhere. So I've got the new cat right there. Unfortunately, I lost my other cat in the tornado. She was in the workshop that got destroyed. Oh, here comes the cat. Hi, Ricky. This is Bingo. Ricky. Hi, Bingo. Everybody say hi to Bingo. Hi, Bingo. Okay, you're probably gonna freak out and run as soon as I start this. Okay? Alright. So basically what we're doing now, I've got tonight to do this. I gotta put as much metal as I can in that dumpster. So we're gonna keep going. But just wanted to show you what's going on. I've also got to lift some posts out of the ground. I've got some other things to do. Hi, Bingo. Alright, well that's it. Just a quick check-in here. Running the excavator. Goes back tomorrow morning, so I really got to get this going. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, don't butcher my excavating skills too much. I have some experience, but I'm not a professional. Thanks again.